Now, incidents like this prove that every day police are under high pressure to make quick decisions in dangerous situations.
Well, new at 6 tonight, Fox 5's Morse Stiggs spent the day with some new recruits to find out about the challenges they will face on the job. Morse joins us now live in Fulton County with details. Morse?
Russ, here's something I wanted to know. Do the men and women who want to become police officers believe they start with a strike against them even before they get their guns? A strike in terms of the public perception.
Hey, listen, I'm not the bad guy here. You don't have to.
Calm down for a second, sir. Calm down. What happened?
This guy ran into me.
Emotions boiling in the street. You're watching a mock training situation. Police cadets must keep the situation from escalating while determining which traffic laws apply to the role-playing motorists.
And this guy,
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 10 Russian missiles, which are headed for the United States. These missiles are presumed to contain nuclear warheads, and are predicted to make impact within the next 15 to 25 minutes. Predicted impact sites include Washington, D.C., New York City, San Francisco, California, Seattle, Washington, New Orleans, Louisiana, Salt Lake City, Utah, Helena, Montana, Kansas City, Missouri, Rapid City, South Dakota, and Boston, Massachusetts. All persons within 100 miles of the impacted areas should seek out a fallout shelter now. If no such shelter exists in your area, get as far underground as possible. Stay away from windows. Using everyday household objects, put as many walls between you and the outside world as possible. You should get together a basic survival kit, including a flashlight and a hand-cranked or battery-operated radio for use during your stay in the shelter. Stay tuned to local media for further information. Do not venture outside until it is declared safe to do so. The President will be speaking on all stations shortly. Please stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WABC. We will continue to serve the New York City area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the New York City area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should remain open for emergency use. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station